Today, we are talking to System Action, a Barcelona-born brand with nearly 4 decades of experience in creating fashion that's both timeless and responsible. With a deep commitment to local production, sustainability, and emotional connection, System Action has built a wardrobe that goes beyond seasonal trends. In this interview, we dive into the philosophy behind their connections, their creative process, and how they manage to stay relevant while staying true to their core values. Today, we are talking with Blanca, the International Wholesale Manager of System Action. Welcome here, Blanca.
Thank you very much, and thank you for this opportunity and to be able to talk about System Action and all about it. It's so special for us, so thank you very much.
Thank you for coming. And how was System Action founded?
System Action was founded in Barcelona in 1968. Since the beginning, we have focused on creating responsible collections with inside designs, which are meant to last for several seasons. We like to produce primarily in Spain. Our manufacturer is primarily here in Spain, because this way we can ensure the quality, the sustainability, and a closer relationship with the suppliers. So,
because your pieces are made for women with a rebellious spirit. And how would you describe, like, your ideal customer?
Yeah, our ideal customer, we like to say that is a urban extroverted woman. Mm-hmm. She looks for comfort and versatility, and well, she seeks for this versatility and wants to stand out, but without giving up on elegance or ease. So, well, we will also say that she is a woman that she has attitude and sensibility, both of them, and that naturally balances basic garments with statement pieces. And well, with our designs, we like to emphasize the individuality and like the authenticity of every woman who wears our designs, which everyone is different. So we like to emphasize this.
Yeah, embracing like oneself, right?
Exactly.
And also you mentioned sustainability. And what role does sustainability play in your business model and the material selection of your garments?
Yeah, sustainability, we'll say that it's a central pillar of our business model. Every season, we improve our efforts by experimenting with vegetable dyes and working closely with local dyeing experts. And our dyeing process is nearly artisanal. Mm-hmm. So we work with techniques that minimize water consumption. Also, we prioritize in fabrics natural ones, and would like to highlight our eco-conscious capsule, which is called Time for Action, mm-hmm. that features garments that are committed to reduce environmental impact by supporting responsible and local production and this. And also, we will say that our brand's DNA, it's all around built around all of this with dyeing and natural fabrics, and also these natural and artisanal dyes give to the pieces identity that is unique.
Yeah, like an added value. Right?
Exactly, because if it's artisanal, nothing will be the same. So each piece is different and unique. So, and also with each piece, which is unique, we like to inspire, but mostly to respect both the wearer and the world around her, because we think it's so important, both of them, the wearer, and the world.
System Action goes beyond trends. How do you stay relevant without following fast fashion?
Okay, with our collections and productions, we ensure that the products truly reflect our values that, as we said, are responsible and local production, unique design, sustainability, and lasting style. And for us, fashion should go, or goes mostly, beyond aesthetic, and it should carry values and message. And we try to pay special attention to fabric quality, dyeing processes and textures, and well, deliberately avoiding the short-lived garments or disposable fashion. It's not our values. Also, each collection, as summarized, each collection is developed using, well, as we said, high-quality materials with a focus on natural fibers that provide both softness and durability. And also, our design approach emphasizes clean lines and functional details that ensures that each piece is both stylish and functional and, well, for practical for everyday wear, mostly. And additionally, we like to complete our collections with accessories such as shoes, bags, jewelry, scarves, and all of these. So we can give to the outfit a complete look, complete outfit, and that also these pieces, these accessories, enhance our brand identity.
That's super nice. And what are the brand short and medium-term goals?
Our main goal, as we said, all the interview is about sustainability. Our main goal is to improve and move to completely sustainable collections, that every piece should be like this, sustainable. We would also like to expand our even wear collection, which we started recently, and we're finding our place in the market. So we want to make it better and to improve also, and working about sales. Internationally, we want to reinforce our presence in the existing markets, which are Spain, Portugal, France, and Italy right now, and we're open to new global opportunities. So every country is welcome to be with our brand and work together. Also, we currently operate now in 20 standalone stores and 20 El Corte Inglés corners. And these are in the best cities. We look always for the best cities in each country. And these 20 and 20 are placed mostly in Spain and Portugal. And also, our presence online is also growing, both in our website and also in major platforms as Zalando and El Corte Inglés, as we said. So we're growing there. And also we would like to highlight our greatest strengths with our personalized in-store styling service. That it's a value that we also like to extend to professional clients, that we not only offer high-quality products, that we also, like, for example, a great service that, for example, we restock from our warehouse in 24, 48 hours maximum. So we can give these excellent services to professional clients and normal clients. And our goal is to do all of these and continue working without losing our essence, staying relevant, and appreciated, and being sustainable.
A lot of new challenges and opportunities ahead.
Yeah, we have.
It has been super nice getting to know a little bit more System Action. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Here.
It was nice to.
At System Action, every piece is designed with lasting impact in mind, and not just in how it's worn, but in how it's made. With a clear focus on local production, thoughtful materials, and seasonless design, the Rhine offers an alternative to fast fashion, one that values authenticity, comfort, and connection.